अब 9 बजे।
We are driven by the desire to be the best, to break the record, to think out of the box and achieve the impossible, create a brighter image and bring positive change. Change that refreshes body and mind, like a breath of fresh air, bringing lasting moments of beauty and filling your heart with purity. Purity that preserves natural goodness so brilliantly. Brilliance that feels so homely and warm. At Higher, we break the boundaries to discover, co-create, and share, and open up a world of amazing possibilities. Higher, more creation, more possibilities.